Hello there, Artemis. Hi, how are you? Can you hear me? I don't know who's there. Is it you, Artemis? We are in Sardinia, the island of Sardinia, and I'm in the northeast coast of the island. Actually, this is Spiaggia dei Corbezzoli, the wild berries beach, because there are some wild berries trees, and hence the name. We have like around 20 degrees Celsius. Not bad for January, end of January or February. So I had to walk a bit to come here because it's not so easily accessible. And I was filming with the drone, so later today or tomorrow I will upload the footage from the sky. Nice desert beach. Hello, Cheryl. Thank you. Thank you so much for your support. This is not easy to access, so no one will ever build anything here. Also, we have some new strict laws about buildings in Sardinia. Go down here. Okay. If you want to stay with me now, I will walk back to the starting point of the tour where I left my car. We're gonna see some nice places along the way if you want to stay. But mostly more important, I was filming earlier the whole area here, and I gathered like around 25-30 minutes of footage. I will be working on it later today, and I will upload to YouTube. Yes, sunny, around 20 degrees, 20 to 22. Of course, there is just a small breeze, but not cold. There could be an easier way to get to the car, but through the bush. So I think I will have my way back, following the way I took to come here, even if it's a bit difficult and harder. But I want to show you the beach, the other small creeks and bays. Hope the connection will stay on. Yeah. See, on the other side we have some hotels and buildings, but you will have a better idea of what it looks like if you will have a look to the video I will upload. Bonjour, Jalil. Hello. How are you? Oh, so many of you today. 5. Super calmo, oui. So, just a quick recap of what I've been doing in the last month. I just came back from my hometown where I participate in a food and wine event on the 27th And I have some footage too. I will upload something. There was food, there was wine, and Sardinian dancing groups, and nice people around. Everyone was happy, and I'm stitching all those videos together in order to make 20 minutes or maybe even more footage, but it takes time. It's not easy. You've seen something? Yeah, I posted something, but just small shorts of what was going on there. There were like around 4,000 participants, gallons of wine. There were like 14 cantinas that are scattered all around the town, and every cantina would serve 1,000 liters of wine, and for more than 4,000 participants. And there is a central office. You pay 15 euros, and you can go around the town and visit all those cantinas where you can eat and drink whatever you want for 15 euros. It was amazing. As you can see, I'm walking through the rocks. Yeah, it was fantastic. So if you want, you can, I don't know if you have seen it yet, but there is a video from the last edition on my channel. Sorry for the wind. We are approaching the next bay. Oh. We'll have to walk on the edge of the cliff here. Small flowers. Bit windier here. would like to thank all of you who somehow supported me all along last year. With coffees and tips on coffee and PayPal. It's been really helpful. It's a pleasure to bring you some sun. Wow. I think I will have to walk around here. Never did this before. So I hope I will find a better and easier way to go around those rocks. Otherwise I will have to swim. Ah, God. I think I'm lost here. If this leads somewhere other than the edge of the cliff. Yeah, I will have to walk on the edge. Fortunately, there are some branches here I can grab. Okay. This was the hardest part. Oh. I caught the flu, so I was like 20 days struggling. Another obstacle here. Let me see if I can turn around. Yeah, I think there's through the bush. Oh, oh yeah, okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah, it's been a long battle. Linda, hi. But I took some antibiotics. A group of 6. And I'm slightly better now. It's really annoying, I would say. And I was better just in time for the cantinas event, so that I could also taste the wine. Yeah. Another strange passage here. Juniper trees. Yeah. Yeah, even during the summer here it's not easy to come and have a nice day at the beach without too much people around. Du miel et du citron avec du thé chaud aide un peu. Oui, oui, j'ai... Jalil was telling me to have some tea with honey, and I bought a very strong honey from Australia. It's a very strong honey. It's Manuka honey. I don't know if any of you have already heard about it. Oh, great, Linda. See the berries? Myrtle berries. Myrtle. See, they're black, but now they seem to be like a gray, but they are black, blue, black. We make a liqueur from those berries. Thank you so much, Ariel. Yeah, it's easy from now on. It's easier. Yeah, no, it's only January, February. I lost the connection with the calendar. Yeah, Linda is it's the third time you come to Sardinia, right, Linda? Thank you so much, Cheryl. Hope you will watch the videos as soon as they will be on. Third time in Sardinia. What do you like most in Sardinia, Linda? What is your advice for someone who never came here? Yeah, I think the car is the best thing to do. Love to walk around again. Near the fair. Oh. Oh, great. 10 days, it's okay. Okay, that was the hardest part. Yeah, seafood is our main dish, but also meat, as you will see on my video. Another nice beach. Temperature is around 20, but now it's a bit windier. So I think we are around between 16 and 20. Crocus are starting to bloom. I mean, this one, not too much crowd on this beach, because you have to walk a bit on the edge of the cliff, so actually August and July and August will be crowded everywhere. But if you come here early in the morning until midday, it's okay. Basically, we are on the back of another beach that I already did some live tours, the swimming pool beach. Look at this one there. crocus. Thank you, Linda. Merci, Jalil. I'm going to show you the swimming pool beach, and then I will close the tour. It's just over there. Have some nice shots from the sky. I will maybe uploading something on Instagram too. Just a few minutes, we'll be at the swimming pool beach. Here it is. We go on the side. I want to show you my favorite viewing angle for this place. Yeah, behind those trees. Wait, private beach. It's getting colder. Yeah. You can see why they call this place the swimming pool. Hope you've been able to snap some pictures. Okay. Okay, so short. I'm just tired. It has been the hardest 20 days of the year. We went back from Barcelona on the 7th, and I'm still sorting the pictures and the videos I've made there. So I have a lot of work to do. So maybe in the next weeks you will have the possibility to see all those videos on my YouTube channel. But it takes a lot of work. Cutting and stitching, and then adding music, descriptions, titles, tags. It takes a lot of work. Really, it's time consuming. But I'd like to show you what we've been visiting in Barcelona, and also the cantinas video and some other stuff. I hope you will enjoy all. Thank you, Artemis. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for now. I hope you liked the tour. I will be doing more as soon as possible, and enjoy the rest of the day. Soon. Bye. Ciao. A few more minutes for you.